With the transition to cooler weather and the upcoming holiday seasons, home maintenance switches gears. To assist you, we've prepared some useful tips for maintaining your residence. Outside maintenance. Adjust the frequency of the watering system accordingly and, when appropriate, turn it completely off. Rake up leaves so grass does not die or create mold or fungus. Disconnect garden hoses from outdoor spigots to prepare for possible freezing. Report any problems with standing water to your property manager. The days are shorter and it becomes darker earlier. Therefore, be sure to remove any debris or objects which could cause injuries. Trim bushes away from the house and weed garden beds in preparation for winter. This is also a safety item around walkways as well. Turn on outdoor lights when appropriate, such as trick-or-treaters, but to save on energy bills, turn off during the day. Keep debris away from the house and dispose properly to prevent unnecessary fires or pests. If you have a fireplace, never put warm or hot ashes in the trash can. Instead, place them in a metal container away from the residence until cold, then dispose of properly. If you put up holiday lights, please remove them when the holiday is over. Don't leave holiday lights on when you're not in the residence. If you have a live tree during the holidays, be sure to keep it watered and dispose of it properly and immediately after the holiday is over. Check indoor holiday lights and/or pre-lit trees carefully for safety, and don't leave them on when you leave the residence. Dispose of any possible hazardous lights. Pest prevention. Ants become more aggressive with colder weather and try to come indoors. However, there are measures to take for prevention. Before bringing in potted plants, check for ant nests, and if there are any, flush the pot repeatedly with water to flush them out. Once you're sure the ants are gone, you can safely bring the plant into the residence. To prevent ants from accessing your pet's food bowl, put a thin ring of petroleum jelly around the rim. Empty the garbage often and dispose of properly in garbage receptacles. Keep food and spills cleaned up throughout the home to avoid attracting ants. If you bring in firewood, do so shortly before you need it and don't store in the residence. Firewood attracts a variety of pests, including ants, and can transport them into your home.